Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls on your headphones Marshall Major 5. And the main control multifunctional button located at your right ear cup, right here we have it. So you can increase a volume with it by slide up this button, and as you can see at this widget I just increase it. To lower the volume you need to slide down this button. So slide down, and as you can see at this widget I just lower the volume. Next let me play some song. If you press one time at this button you will play or pause the song or a movie. So press, I just pause it, press again, and I play song. If you slide to the right this button you will play next track. And as you can see it works. To play previous track you need to slide to the left this button. Here we go. Also you can double press at this button and you will enter to pairing mode. You will see the LED light start blinking. And also we have M button at the left ear cup, and we can set this button if you open Marshall Bluetooth application. And if you add your headphones to the application you will see the same menu. Just scroll down and right here we have M button, and you can set it to for Spotify tab, or to change equalizer, or to call voice assistant. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.